Welcome students. Once again, we'll carry on with the chapter What is Democracy? Why Democracy? We were considering about democratic governments in various countries. Now we are talking about Mexico, which is a country in North America. Now should we consider the elections held in Mexico are democratic elections? Mexico became independent in 1930, and after becoming independent, every election was won by the ruling PRI or Institutional Revolutionary Party. The opposition parties, they participated in the election, but the PRI used many dirty tricks in order to win the election. So every time it was the PRI which came to power. All those who were employed in government offices had to attend the party meetings. That is, the government officials acted as party members. Teachers of government school used to force the parents to vote for the PRI. And media largely ignored the activities of the opposition political parties, and only they criticized the political party. That the media was also not impartial, but it was partial, or it was biased on the side of the government. Sometimes the polling booth was shifted from one place to another in the last minute in order to help the PRI, which made it difficult for the people to cast their votes. They could not give their votes easily. The PRI spent a large sum of money in the campaign for its candidate, that it wanted to win the election either by hook or by crook in order to remain in power. Now we'll be talking about Syria. Syria is a country which is in Asia, and there the elections are held entirely in a different way. Now talking about Turkey. Turkey is a country which is a European country, but along with it, it is a Muslim state. Even then, there the elections are held, but they are held in a very different manner. Syria is a small West Asian country. The ruling Baath party and some of its small allies are the only parties which are allowed in that country to vote, just like China. Now, which are the countries which deny equal right to vote? In India, we have equal right to vote. But in many of the countries like Saudi Arabia till 2015, women did not have the right to vote, nor they were given equal rights. So they could not cast their votes and they were not considered as equivalent to men. In Saudi Arabia, still the women are not given equal rights and they do not have equal power as men. Estonia, which is a country which broke away from Russia, has made its citizenship rules in such a way that the people, those who belong to the Russian minority, find it difficult to get the right to vote. Means they do not have the right to vote. Those who belong to the Russian minority, they are considered as inferior citizens. So, we have talked about Estonia, where all the Russian minority people are not given equal right. Now, talking about Fiji. In Fiji, the electoral system is entirely different. That the vote of an indigenous Fiji, means the person who originally belonged to Fiji, has more value that of an Indian Fijian. means the Indian Fijian does not enjoy the same right as the indigenous Fijian. So in this way they are not having equal right, just like India, where all have the right to vote and all are considered equivalent in the eyes of the law. Now with this we come to the end of the video, and we'll carry on from here in the next video.